Hi, I'm Chris Fern from RCF. We're here at ISE 2020 in Amsterdam. RCF have launched the new compact M series of installation loudspeakers, replacing the long-standing range called the Media series. We have the compact M5, 5-inch driver, 6, 8, 10 and a 12. All are available in black and white. They're currently shipping, available for fitting into bars, nightclubs, education installs, anywhere where foreground to background sound is required. Visa mount fitting on the back of all of the products, and there's also available both horizontal and vertical brackets. You can find out more information on these range of speakers at www.rcf.it.